Sexy guys. At kapag malapit na po kayo sa ating magandang bride, kailangan niyo pong lumuhod sa kanyang harapan. At sa inyong pagluhod, it's up to you po kung gusto niyo pong ipasok ang inyong ulo sa kanyang wedding gown in order to get the garter. But in getting the garter, what are you going to use? Is it your hand or your teeth? Ayan, bahala na po kayo. But, of course, kapag nakuha niyo na po siya, just wave it to show that you're done of getting the garter. So what are you waiting for, DJ? Play the music. Oh yeah. I love the moves. You can make it. Lumuhod si Sam. Sa pagtaas ng kanyang wedding gown, ingatang makita ng sambayan ng Pilipinas. Nakakakita po ba kayo ng kadiliman? Sa kabila ng kadiliman, sigurado may makikitang kaliwanagan. Pumalakpak naman po tayo, guys! Husay ni Sam, ibang klase. Okay, this time yan, tawagan na po natin ang ating pong mga participants para sa ating next to be group. Okay, I would like to call in, of course, nandyan po ba si Sir Hex? Where is Hex? Ayan, Sir Hex! Sir Yop! Sir Ep! Sir Sean! Sir Darwin! Sir Ruben, Sir Patrick, and Sir Gian. Ayan, nasa na po kayo? Dito na po tayo sa Center Yards. Okay, nasa na po yung ating mga handsome gentlemen. Again, sino po si Sir Hex? Nandito na? Ayun. Sir Yop? Sir Ep? Sir Sean? Sir Sean? Sino po si Sir Sean? Wala pa? Sir Darwin? Sir Ruben? Sean, nasa na po? Sean, I'm sorry. Sir Patrick and Sir Gian. Okay, group picture muna po tayo. The other gentleman, iba po sa kabilang side. Okay, pakihawak po ang garter habang hawak din po ng ating pong groom using your right hands and your left hands. Hawak po. Left hands po sa kabila. Left hands. Sir, left hand. Left hand. Left hand. Left hand. Left hand. Are you ready? Look at the camera. Okay. Sir, you may now take your seat. For the meantime, sa mga gentlemen, stand here and make a little social distancing. Straight line po tayo, straight line. Straight line na po. Okay. A little social distancing. Okay, gentlemen. Sa inyo po magmumula ang next to be group. And for us to know who gonna be the next to be group, yung hindi po marunong sumayaw ang i-declare as well. Makakarinig po kayo ng mga TikTok dance sa bawat TikTok dance. And nakita ko that you do have good performance in terms of dancing, you will be eliminated. Hanggang ang matira ay yung hindi marunong sumayaw. Kaya naman, Let us begin with the first music. Remember, yung hindi marunong sumayaw ang i-declare as winner. Si Seth na yata ang choreographer. You're out, mahusay ka! You may now take your seat. Okay, for the next music feature. Ayan, ilan na lang sila. Lima na lang kayo, gentlemen. Kaya naman for the third music feature. Ang cute ng iyong steps. You may now take your seat. For the fourth music feature. What a nice move! Congratulations, you may now take your seat. 3 more to go. You're out, mahusay ka! Okay, 2 more to go. Sam. And for the final music, DJ.
Thank you for the ice cream, so good. Delicious strawberry.
Oh. Lumalapit si Sam. Sige, Sam. Gusto ko yung tikmak mo. You're out. And we have a winner. Congratulations. Okay, congratulations. Am I right, Hex? Okay, picture mo na po.